BPI to Metrobank. How to send money from BPI to Metrobank online. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. First, go to online.bpi.com.ph. And since mag-transfer tayo ng pera from BPI to Metrobank, importante na meron ka ng BPI Online Account. Kung wala ka pang online account with BPI, you may click this Register Now button. And also, may video rin kami about this, so you may check this I button para makita mo yung video na yon. So, I'll go ahead and log in. So, ito na yung online account ko with BPI. Para makapag-transfer ng pera, I'll click this Transfer Money. And then for step 1, choose the account you wish to transfer money from. So, dito manggagaling yung pera. And then transfer amount, I'll enter here 10,000 pesos. Merong tatlong options dito. Transfer to own account, transfer to third party, and transfer to another bank. Since magka-transfer ako ng pera sa ibang bank, sa Metrobank account, I'll pick this last option, transfer to another bank. Dito sa website, nagkaroon ng error message na this feature is temporary unavailable. Choose a bank first, so hindi siya clickable at all. So walang option na makapag-transfer habang ginagamit ko tong computer ko. So ang gagawin ko is magka-transfer na lang ako gamit yung mobile app nila sa cellphone ko. So, once makapag-create ka ng BPI Online Account, pwede ka mag-login gamit yung computer. And also, pwede ka rin mag-login sa BPI Mobile App nila, which is a cellphone. So, sa computer ko, I'll click this Logout muna. And ito na yung sa cellphone ko. So, I'll tap this BPI Mobile App. You can download this from Play Store or App Store kung hindi mo pa na-install sa cellphone mo. And then, click Login. And enter ko lang dito yung username and password ko. So, for this one, if I want to get transactions or any offers anytime, pwede ko clicking activate. But for now, click ko muna yung later. So, ito na ulit yung account ko or yung online account ko with BPI. Dito sa bandang kaliwa sa taas, merong 3 lines. So, I'll tap this. And then, I'll click transfers. And then, transfer money. And then, for step 1, piliin ko yung account na panggagalingan ng pera. So, ito siya. And then, enter the amount to transfer. So, here's the amount. So, dito, walang error message. Unlike sa computer, wala tayong option na mamili ng bank na paglilipatan ng pera. So, dito, hanapin ko yung Metrobank. Ang alam ko is Metropolitan yung nakalagay dito. So, tama, Metropolitan Bank and Trust. And click OK. And scroll down ko lang. So, ito yung information about BPI transfer. Ang transaction fee is 50 pesos normally. But this time, since nag-transfer ako within this date, I'll waive yung transfer fee or wala mo nang bayad yung pag-transfer ng pera from BPI to other bank. So, real-time yung pag-transfer and yung limit per day is 50,000 pesos in total. So, balik ako sa cellphone ko. And dito, nakalagay nga na yung transfer fee is 0 pesos. So, enter ko dito yung account number ng Metrobank. And for account name, enter ko dito yung owner ng Metrobank account. And for notes, any notes will do, pero lagyan ko na rin siya ng details. So, ito na yung details. So, lagay ko na yung account number and also the account name. So, I'll click next. And for step 2, I'll review all these details. And mukhang tama naman lahat na na-enter ko. So, I'll check this I agree to terms and conditions. And may option ka na basahin yung terms and conditions by clicking this. Pero I'll go ahead and click confirm. So, this is my phone number. So, click yes, send me the code. So, enter ko dito yung code na na-receive ko. And click submit. And for step 3, ito yung confirmation na na-transfer na yung pera. Here's the reference number sa bandang baba. And importante na i-take note mo yung reference number or yung confirmation number. Just in case magkaroon ng issue sa pag-transfer, pwede mong erase sa BPI yung problem para ma-check nila using this confirmation number. And chinek ko yung Metrobank account at pinaglipatan ko ng pera and na-confirm na na-transfer na nga yung pera na 10,000 from BPI to Metrobank. And that's it. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. And you may also check these videos, these or other videos on how to send your money online. And also may mga videos din kami in case you're interested about small capital investments. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.